Do few stir. And our salted egg prawn is ready for serve.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today I'm very excited because I have some very fresh deep sea prawn from Sabah with me. Appa just went to Sabah recently and I bought it from the airport. Okay, so what we do here, I'm going to make salted egg prawn. Yeah, very nice. Very appetizing. My wife loves this dish. So what we do here is, first of all, you need to prep the prawn. Make sure you devein it. And the thing to take note here is, when you devein, don't wash away the prawn tomali, which is what we normally call xiadan, or the prawn egg. Yeah, this is, see this one? This is actually the prawn egg. This do not, literally speak, it is not exactly the egg. I think it's part of the kidney or liver or something. But this is what they're going to turn orangey color later. What we usually call egg lah, but it's not really an egg. So how do you differentiate between this and also the vein? The vein is usually black color. Okay. After that, you will remove, trim the leg and also trim away the pointy part. Later, what we are going to do is we are going to deep fry until it is fully cooked. Then, or almost 90% cooked. Then we will fry it with some salted egg. And as you can see from here, I have some very beautiful dark salted egg right here. This is approximately three egg yolk taken out from dark salted egg. You can find dark salted egg and also chicken salted egg outside in the market today. If you get dark salted egg, of course the egg yolk will be a lot much larger. And what you need to do is you need to actually chop it, yeah, mince it, so that later it's easier for us to stir fry. And we have some few pieces of curry leaves, and not forgetting a piece of chili padi here, and approximately 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw garlic, minced garlic. Of course, you need to prepare some oil to deep fry the prawn. And you want to wait until about 180 degrees. That is when you start seeing smokes coming out from the oil. And then what you do is here, get ready your prawn and make sure you use a kitchen towel to wipe dry. Yeah, wipe dry the prawn so that it doesn't carry too much water, because later it's going to splatter a little bit. Be very careful whenever you are deep frying the prawn. Especially when you trim the prawn, you make sure you remove the eye. Yeah, make sure you remove the prawn eye. That contains water and it will splatter. So once the oil is heated up, you can actually put in the prawn. Like I said, it will splatter. So use a tongue to help you. Of course, the restaurant chef, they will put everything all in one go, but let's not do that at home. Dangerous. Appa is scared. Next thing, you want to deep fry this prawn for approximately 3 minutes. Not too long. If it's too long, it may get overcooked and it will become mushy. So it will be great if your stove actually has a timer, then you can actually start counting. Use medium-high heat to fry it, yeah, for approximately 3 minutes. Use a tongue to help you. You'll start seeing it started to curl up. Actually, this prawn is super XL, maybe a triple XL size. Very fresh, very nice. I tried some the other day to make, what did I make? I make some soya sauce prawn. Ooh, tastes so good, super sweet. Okay, now it's about 1 minute plus. We'll come back shortly. Wow, super fragrant now. This is the reason, exactly the reason why I want to deep fry it, because it will bring out the fragrance of the shell of the prawn itself. Alright, this is after approximately close to 3 minutes. You can see the smaller pieces is already done. Nicely brown, yeah, nicely brown. Put it on top of an oil absorbing paper at the side. Beautiful. Oh, so super fragrant. I wish you can smell this. Did you see what I said just now? See? See the orangey color? That is what we normally call the prawn egg. Actually, it's not really the egg, huh? But don't throw it away. That's the nicest part. Take it out. Put it on top of the oil absorbing paper, yeah? Usually you can only get this kind of tamale, they call it, yeah? Tamale on larger prawn. Let me show you. Okay, so you rest it on a piece of oil absorbing paper. I'm not sure if you can see, all the orangey color is there. Beautiful orangey color. We don't waste the tamale, yeah? All the orangey color is there. So I'm not wasting the prawn oil that I used to fry the prawn just now. See all this orangey color? You can keep it to fried noodles if you like. I'm going to put some for our salted egg. You need quite a bit of oil to allow the salted egg actually bubble up. You will know what I mean when I say bubble up shortly. Heat up the wok. We can now pull in the salted egg, garlic, and the chili padi, as well as curry leaves. And you want to saute them. You may think there's a lot of oil now, but shortly you will find all the oil being disappeared. It becomes the bubble. Now what you do is keep on stirring. Keep on stirring. See, the bubble started to be created. And you can actually season it with a little bit of salt and sugar if you like. Up to you. Okay. Now you need to keep on stirring so that the salted egg will get bubble up. Look at how much bubble is this. Some people love this salted egg sauce. So this is the salted egg sauce exactly. You can add a little bit of water if you like, but usually I don't. We want to make it, allow it everything about 80 or 90% to be nicely dissolved and become bubbles. Ooh, look at how much bubbles we have. Salted egg sauce. Look at this beautiful salted egg sauce. Let me try and show you. Look at this beautiful salted egg sauce. Beautiful. Right? So now the salted egg sauce is basically ready. All bubble up. The next thing we do is just to put in the prawn and give it a few stir, and it is done. If you know how to flip the wok, flip it now. Appa doesn't know how to flip the wok, so I'm just going to do few stir. And our salted egg prawn is ready for serve. Done. Our prawn, salted egg prawn is ready. Off the fire. Salted egg prawn, and here's the sauce, the salted egg sauce. Right. Super simple, and our salted egg prawn is ready. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.